This is our ZSK2102 double spindle CNC Gundrilling machine. Built with premium cast iron for strong rigidity, roller linear guide, and a servo vault-through feed system. Doors panel designed for double output efficiency. Stepless speed control for spindle rotation and the feeding. High pressure coolant system ensures stable deep hole drilling. Hole precision up to IT7 to IT10. Surface roughness 1.6 to 3.2 micrometer. Ideal for mass production of deep hole parts. High efficiency